Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your forward edge. First, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape. Park your vehicle on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall or garage door. Make sure your tire pressure is correct, as this impacts headlight alignment. This preparation ensures an accurate and effective adjustment process. Now, open the hood of your forward edge to get a clear view of the headlight assemblies. You'll be looking for the vertical adjustment screw on each headlight, which controls the beam's up or down movement. On many forward edge models, horizontal adjustment is not available. These screws are usually small, geared, and often require a Phillips head screwdriver. With your vehicle 25 feet from the wall, turn on your low beams. Mark a horizontal line on the wall at the exact center height of your headlights. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to turn the vertical adjustment screw. For halogen lamps, the top of the beam should be right on your tape mark. For HID lamps, aim the high-intensity zone 2 inches below the horizontal line. After making your adjustments, take a moment to double-check both headlight beams. Drive your forward edge around a bit, then repark and confirm the alignment. Ensure the beams are not aimed too high, which could blind oncoming drivers, or too low, reducing your visibility. Proper alignment is crucial for safety and effective night driving. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.